My name's Tim Barnes. I'm the Managing Director of the Witt Group here in the UK. I joined the MA back in 2020. As well as being a member of one of the peer groups with the MA, we've also made quite extensive use of the Academy as well to carry out some team leader development. And we've also made use of their hands-on support when we've had certain specific things that we want to deal with. I feel that the MA very much focuses on developing the individual, but not only do they do that, they dial it up to 10. I think the process can be quite challenging, but if you embrace it, the potential for personal development is absolutely fantastic. And I think you'll end up becoming much better, A, at your role at work and in life in general. One of the benefits that I've had personally, I think I would describe as if I traveled back in time 10 years to meet my past self, I think my past self would look at me and would say they don't recognize me, but that they see a better person and a leader that inspires them to go on the journey and become that better self. I also find the Team Leader Development Program to be very valuable. It has helped us develop some of our managers and improve their skills and capability, but actually, surprisingly as well, their mentors, who they report into, they have as a consequence also reflected on how they've gone about managing their team. And I think that's a bit of a spin-off benefit as well. Regarding benefits relating to the business, I think we've made great progress and change in our culture towards being an engaging and motivating place to work. And we've recently had the results of an employee engagement survey, and 80% of the respondents described that they felt inspired by the management and that the culture within the business is based on strong principles. In terms of hard numbers, the business has grown by about 30% over the last 5 years. That's excluding any COVID effect. And in the last 2 financial years, we've had record profits returning more than 6% return on sales. Now that's not all down to the MA. We like to think we've had a little hand in that ourselves here, but the MA has certainly been hugely influential in developing the people within the business and the culture. And both of those together has very much changed not just the business, but also the results that it now delivers.